So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to set up a direct debit with Monzo. So firstly, to set up a direct debit, you're going to need to give your sort code and account number to the business you want to set up a direct debit with. And depending on the business, you should usually be able to sort this out through the phone or online. So for example, that could be your phone contract or your gym membership or something along those lines. But the first thing you're going to need in order to set up your direct debit is to know your sort code and account number. So if we quickly jump onto the Monzo app, you should be able to see your sort code and account number where the arrow is showing you on screen here. So for reference, your sort code should be similar to mine, as most Monzo accounts always have the same sort code. But your 8 unique digit account number should be where mine is blurred here. Obviously, I've blurred mine for the video, but where the arrow is pointing to on screen, that should tell you your own unique 8-digit account number. And then once you have those details, you can obviously send them to the company you're wanting to set up a direct debit with, and they should be able to set that up on your behalf. And then once you've done that, you've successfully set up a direct debit, and that should show within your Monzo account within 3 days. So if we go to the drop-down menu here, click on scheduled payments, this should then list you all the direct debits you've got set up with Monzo. Obviously, do allow at least 3 business days for your new direct debit to show. But overall, that's pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.